Hi there, it's Phil. Now it's freezing cold, winter's here, which means no gardening. But in the meantime, I will be doing some work, and part of that is doing storage units. So we do bid on units through the year, but the last one we did just a week ago, we found something that really did surprise us. Now you see here, this is what it looked like from the photos, basic description, but when we did pull everything apart, that lovely looking couch turned out to be junk, it was stained, but we went behind it and found one of these. Now this is absolutely fantastic. Got it out, only had one problem, and it seemed to be the wheel. The tyre was actually off the rim, and we hadn't tried it yet, so we brought it back home, gave it a shot, see what happened. We need to get this tyre back on, and we do have someone here who knows exactly how to do it and is going to teach us how, and hopefully if it's something you don't know how to do, you will by the end of the video. We're also going to hope that once we've got some gas into it, that we will find it does turn on as well. It does run and it will work.
This is a good machine.
Mm-hmm. They're usually pretty good.
Gotta have it in the middle. Okay. There we go. See what I did there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See how that works? See how that worked now?
No, you didn't. Phil videoed it, so I'll watch the video.
It's in the middle.
Yeah.
I tie it up, took this thing here, and tightened it up. Just kept turning it so it closed in the middle.
Almost like a tourniquet.
It is a tourniquet. It's a tourniquet and you put it in the middle so that it pushes out all the way around. See how fast that works?
Yeah, I'm amazed actually. Do you have the little valve? Oh, there it is. Okay. You can use any rope or twine or anything.
Yeah,
to do that,
anything that won't work.
Right.
Just as long as it goes around the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you just twist it around until and tighten it up as tight as, and then when you get the air in it, you gotta.
Yeah, it looked like it was
doing it by itself.
automatically loosening. But if it doesn't, you have to kind of do it yourself.
Put it on choke once. Put the gas.
Well, we're definitely happy with this. It's gone really well. I'm actually really surprised as to how quickly that's gone and how easy it is to do. And I'll know now for the future, and hopefully it's something that you can take on as well in case it's happened for you. And yeah, something great to know. But we're especially happy, and we know we're not going to sell this thing because it's been as low as -7 Celsius. It's now -2. But we're looking at this weekend, maybe -13 and maybe 6 to 13 inches of snow. Not good, but if this snowblower works as we expect it to, it's going to be a godsend because we can actually clear off the driveway and everything. There's snow plows that will actually do the main roads, and so that'll be good, and we'll be able to do a couple of other people's as well, just to give them a bit of a helping hand too. So share the love of the snowblower.
We won't talk about a straight snowblow. I don't know where he thinks he's going. We got to do the whole driveway. Not that it's going to do much good. We're going to have to be out here again in a couple hours anyway, but at least this way we get to practice. I'm Sandy from parkerlings.com, and this is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and thank God we got a snowblower.
Okay, everyone, I do hope you're all well. I do wish you as well, because it's the end of November, I do wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and also looking forward to Christmas. So everyone, you all take care, stay warm, goodbye, God bless. Bye-bye.